This is Martin Carlisle with the pico2017 2017 problem sorandom. We found sorandom.py running at port 19789. It appears to be outputting the flag but randomizing the characters. Let's take a look. 19789. All right, so there's the flag. It's randomized. Appears to be the same if I run it more than once. So let's go ahead and get a copy of that Python file and take a look at it. Okay, so it reads the flag from a file. It seeds the random number generator with the word random. This is really important because if I know the random seed, that means I can reproduce that sequence of random values. And then what it's going to do is it's going to take lowercase letters, add a random number, and rotate them around. Capital letters, it does the same thing. Digits, it does the same thing. So what I can do here is I can create a different version of this program. In my different version of this program, what I'll do is I'll use that flag that I got from connecting to the port, and I'll replace each of those pluses with minuses. So I'm going to take the output of the other program, do these subtractions, and hopefully get back the original flag. So I run that, and here it is, and you'll see the word flag at the beginning, so that looks very promising. And there's the solution.